Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve problems when you are unable to install the KB5063060 update on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first step is to pause and resume update. Go to Windows Update Settings and click on Pause Updates. Wait for a few moments until the update is paused. Once paused, click on Resume Update. Check if the update installed successfully. If not, proceed to the next step. The next step is to advanced troubleshooting steps. To do this, start App Readiness Service. Type Services in Windows search bar and click on Services. In Services window, scroll down and you will find App Readiness. Double click and open it. Now set the startup type to automatic and click on Apply. If Start is highlighted, click on it. Click OK. Now attempt to update your Windows 11 again. Step 3 is to move the WinReagent folder. Open File Explorer, go to this PC and open C drive. Look for a folder named WinReagent. If you don't see this folder, click on View at the top, select Show and check Hidden Items. You should now see the folder. If the folder is still not present, you can skip this step and proceed to the next one. If you have the WinReagent folder, copy the WinReagent folder and paste it to your desktop or another location to create a backup. Once the backup is created, delete the WinReagent folder from the C drive, open Windows settings and try to update your Windows 11 again. After a successful update, restart your computer. Once system restart, you can optionally move the WinReagent folder to back to your C drive from your backup location. Step 4 is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Windows settings and go to System. Go to Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update and click on Run. Now here you will find a Get Help or Contact Support page. If you want to register a problem, you can register it from here. You can select your problem and register. You can contact your support. Now after the troubleshooter is completed, once done, restart your computer and try updating Windows 11 again. The fifth step is to restart Windows Update and BITS service. Type services in Windows search bar and open it. Scroll down and you will find Windows Update. Double click on it. Set startup type to automatic. Click on Apply. If Start is highlighted, click on it. Click on OK. With Windows Update still selected, right click and choose Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double click on it. Make startup type to automatic. Click on Apply. If Start is highlighted, click on it. Click on OK. Now right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service and choose Restart again. Now attempt to update your Windows 11 again. The next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistance. Open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. You'll find the link in the description. On the Microsoft website, find the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download Now. Run the download exe file. Click Yes to the user account control prompt. The tool will download. If an update is available, you'll see an install or update option. Follow the on-screen instruction to install the update using this assistant. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. You'll find this link in the description again. Now in the search bar, type KB5063060 and click search. Look for the entry that matches your Windows 11 version. Windows 11 version 24H2 for x64 based system. Now to check your system type, go to Settings, go to System Information, click on About. Now you will find your system type. If your system is 64 based, then click on Download and next to Correct Version. On the new screen, click the link for the MSU file to start the download. Once the download is completed, double click the downloaded .msu file to install the update manually. After the installation, restart your computer. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. Now copy all the commands provided in the description. You will find it. Open Notepad, paste all the copied commands into the Notepad. Now go to File, Save As. In the file name field, type wufix.bat. Type the name correctly. Now for Save As type, select All Files. Save it as All Files. Choose Desktop as the save location. Now go to your desktop, right click on the wufix.bat file, Select Run as administrator. Click Yes to the user account control prompt. Now the command prompt will open and execute the commands. This process will stop Windows Update component, then various scan and then restart the component. Once the process is finished, restart your computer. After the system restarts, try updating your Windows 11 again.